Hello. So today I received a parcel from England, and this is my Paragon Raider bow that I've been waiting for some months, and I'm really excited about trying it out. So let's see. Well, it seems to be starting to rain, so I'll have to hurry up a little bit. How to open this? It's very good wrapped. It's not, well, customs declaration. Customs declaration. I've already paid, so that shouldn't be interesting too much. Let's see what it says. Okay, it's the description from Paragon Bows. So Rob has written down everything, and so comes the great moment, I think. Let's see. Okay, I think. Yeah, that looks good. Open it here. Here is open. And here. So. So. Not too much inside, but everything that is necessary, I think. So, empty. And again, well wrapped. First things to see, there's this bag. Okay. A lot of wrap. So, whew. So this is string and one extra string. That's nice. And the description. And it says it's 42 pounds at 28 inches and 50 pounds at 31. So I draw 32, so that should be around 52 or 53 maybe. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. Looks very nice. Oh, that's Duhuang coal. I chose. Hey, look at the staining. Oi, 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 oi. Wow, this is great. And it's light. It's very light, and it's so small. I'm used to shooting a early Mongolian bow that was really big in comparison. This is so small. So it's fantastic. It's a real beauty. It's black leather, um, dual sided hard point inlays, arrow pass. So I didn't want this ray skin. I like it sleek. Yeah, and this Ovankol in the Sias and in the riser section is really looks great. I don't know, I should say a lot of things about it, but I'm impatient. I have to try it out. I have to just try it out. I've seen the video of Rob, and it says the longer one is the lower one. So which is the longer one? Oh, this one. So, oh, exciting. Putting it in there. Putting it in the string bridge. Looks good. Let's see that we don't twist it here just yet. So without any twist, this is better. You know, everyone has his own way of finding a knocking point, and I just asked Rob if he could indicate what he would think would be, to his opinion, the best position for the knocking point, and he indicated that. So I have to see. It would be easy if it would be the same for me. So I have to get used to using the string bridge. I hadn't one so far. Okay. Still in the string bridge. Nice. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Oh, it looks good. I have to shoot. I have to shoot. So, for that, so it's about 53 pounds. I use a protection. I can't find my own made leather ring at the moment. So silver. I've made a silver thing. Okay. Nice sound and quite some power. Ah, bam! that was the tennis ball. So, fourth arrow hit. Nice. You see that? Oh. So, I can say I'm happy. Thank you, Rob.